Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on LinkedIn that allows you to view InMail focused messages on your PC. If you're looking to streamline your messaging experience, this guide will walk you through the steps to access your focused messages easily. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top menu where you'll find several icons. Next, click on the messaging icon. This icon typically resembles a speech bubble and is located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will open up your messaging window, where you can see all your conversations. Now, within the messaging window, you'll notice different sections for your messages. Here, click on the message section and select Focused. This tab is designed to help you prioritize important messages and filter out less relevant ones. After selecting the Focused tab, you'll want to click on InMail. InMail messages are a premium feature that allows you to directly contact LinkedIn members who are not in your network. If you have a premium account, this feature is essential for reaching out to potential connections or clients without being directly connected. Once you're in the InMail section, you'll be able to view all your InMail messages that have been categorized as focused. This organization helps ensure that important communications are easily accessible while keeping your inbox clutter-free. Remember, if you don't see the focused and other tabs, you may need to enable the focused inbox feature in your settings. To do this, go back to the messaging window, click on the More icon at the top right corner, and select Messaging Settings. From there, toggle the focused inbox option to turn it on. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your LinkedIn messages and ensure that important InMails are front and center. Stay connected and make the most of your LinkedIn experience.